How to find notifications on settings on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find notifications on settings on Android phone. First then open settings and now just type here notifications on. That's it, click on it and then scroll down until you find notifications on. Here click on it, and as you see here you can find notifications on settings. Here you can change it, just select any tone you want and then just go back, it will be saved. And that's how to find notification tone settings, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.